Meet Zohar, a lawyer overwhelmed by mountains of contracts, compliance checks, and endless legal jargon. Every day feels like an uphill battle against time, and the clock is always winning. Like many lawyers, Zohar spends hours deciphering clauses and waiting for reviews from other teams, all while wondering, is there a better way?
So many papers. What is it, like a bar exam? Karen, how come you already finished?
But not everyone is stuck in this cycle. Meet Karen, Zohar's colleague, who has already discovered a smarter way to work. While Zohar's buried in paperwork, Karen has finished for the day, and now she actually has time to relax.
2 hours ago.
Really? I started even before. I got to the office before you came here.
But I use ClauseAI.
What is it?
Karen simply uploads a contract, and ClauseAI immediately gets to work. The system analyzes complex clauses, highlights potential risks, and verifies compliance with regulations, all within seconds. It streamlines what used to take hours, delivering results faster than ever. This AI-powered assistant acts like a full team of legal experts, ready to assist at any moment. With ClauseAI, legal reviews are no longer a burden, they're a breeze.
You got to show it to me.
So see, you just need to take the contract here, to upload it, and then that's it.
Wow, amazing. I will
In
definitely
1
use
second.
it. Yeah, okay.
A few moments later.
Wow, so easy. Wow, Karen, it changed my life. Instead of waiting for the compliance and risk assessment teams, I could just give it to ClauseAI and it does the job. Does it also uses precedent cases?
Yes, it has a database with all the precedents in the United States, but he will explain it better than me.
Let's go through our beautiful graph. So basically I gave it a contract, an objective that we want to get from this contract, and a specific focus, which is optional. Then it analyzes the contract. It sees that it's about the employment agreement, about technology. Then it gets some clauses that are relevant to this topic and category. And then for each clause, basically, it goes and in a loop, it can make some modifications and see what's wrong with this contract or what's good. Then for stuff that we didn't get out of the clauses, so we go to the review plan, and then it makes some stuff that we didn't check before. Now it will make steps to check them. Basically here it does kind of the same. It checks some modifications to make in the contract, stuff that are not done. And then it just generates a nice, beautiful report, and also it changes the document, and the user can decide to accept the modification or deny it.
It's like having a full legal team but without the overhead.
Now I can spot risks in seconds, not days.